Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you all how to set up versioning on your S3 bucket step by step, walking you through the process of creating your bucket, setting up versioning, and much more. Let's get started. Okay, let's make a bucket, sample bucket. Uncheck block all public access, acknowledge, enable versioning. You can either do this now or later once you've created your bucket. Create your bucket. Go into your bucket and manage permissions. Let's go ahead and create a policy. You can either copy and paste if you have one, or let's go ahead and generate one here. Go down to policy type, S3 principal, everyone. Services, actions. So you just scroll down. ARN, that's this bit here. Drop this in here. / wildcard. That statement. Generate policy. Copy this. And save. After you've created your bucket, enabled versioning, set the proper permissions and policies, you can go in and upload your assets. In our case, we'll be testing out this versioning feature by SW3 using a simple text file. This simple text file contains some sample text. So once you've uploaded your file, we'll go ahead and view it. Simple text. Now let's exit this. And go into the object, see versions. We only have one version. Time. Okay, now let's go back. Let's upload the same file, but first let's change up some information on the text file. So now that I've made my changes, let's go ahead and upload it. New file. Let's go ahead and upload it. Go to your object, and you can see the different versions that has been overwritten. One is larger because it contains more text. The times are different by almost 4 minutes. And also the most important part, the version number or version ID. Let's go into our object here and view the differences. Great. And that's it, folks. A simple check in the box and you're good to go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.